everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes with part 2 of sewing out of my box. You guys, I appreciate you so very much because I was not aware that the entire video from part 1 of this was not supposed to be 2 parts, but for whatever the reason, part 1 of this, it cut off at like 8 minutes. There was only a couple of more patterns for me to show and it just cut it off. I wasn't even aware until you guys started letting me know in the comments. I started getting messages in my DM on Instagram, and I was able to be alert and go back and try to see what might have happened. I'm just going to be honest and tell you, I don't know what happened other than probably some type of technical error. It's technology. It's a love-hate relationship. There is no in between. Okay. So I'm going to choose to love it, and I'm going to create a part 2 now. That I did not plan on doing. And before I get to doing some sewing and finishing the top that I am working on, I had to get this out there to you all. So that video ended actually with this cute little jumpsuit. And before I start, you guys, if you're just joining me for the first time, I am Martika, and normally my videos don't go like this. But if you go and watch part 1 of sewing out of my box, you will see where it cut off and yeah, all that good stuff. So welcome to my channel. And for those of you guys coming to see what else I had to show in that video, welcome back. So like I said before, we ended with Simplicity 9486. And that was this cute little onesie that I am actually sewing up for my grandson. And I just think that this would be so very cute. I'm going to move that a little closer. You could probably see it and hear some. The lighting, I did not set up a lot of lighting today, but you can see the detail in this onesie here with the little, I don't even know what to call those, but it's just like layers of like 3D layers of fabric there. And then that big pocket is so cute. So I am going to put this together for him. Somebody had commented about the when little ones are potty training, and my little grandson, he is potty training. And I did look at this, you guys, and you know, kids at the age of 2, 3, they like to undress anyway. So I looked, and this zipper, even if you can see this zipper, you guys, go all the way down. So this is actually an easy pattern for the little ones to get out of. They can simply unzip and just pull their arms out. And it's really even easier than a button-up pair of pants, you know, that they would wear if they're potty training. So yeah, and then hopefully if mom or dad is around, you know, to help them out, that'll be easy too. But yeah, this will be an easy one because that zipper goes all the way from here to all the way back. And to be honest with you, I can't even see the end of the zipper. So I'm guessing that it goes literally probably all the way down and under some, yeah, probably like within the crotch area when you totally unzip it. So that is a plus. Whoever put this pattern together was thinking clearly. So yeah, that's Simplicity 9486. And I think it cut off what I was telling you, the type of fabric that it did call for. And that is basically all views call for stretch knits, okay? Such as interlock, ITY, sweatshirt fleece, terry knit, double knit. Yeah. Really cute. Gonna be really cute. If you hear the tapping and the banging in the background, my husband is downstairs cooking, okay? So he's a pretty loud cook, but I am not going to stop him, ladies, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to let him cook. If you want to know what he's cooking, he's fixing some chicken curry and some shrimp curry, okay? That is what's for dinner tonight, and I can't wait. So I'm letting him do all the banging he wants to. I'm going to stay right up here at my sewing machine out of the way. So the next one that I'm looking at sewing up. I have never sewed up anything for my husband, okay? However, I do have men patterns, you guys. And I have my husband in mind when I purchased these patterns. So this was just so cute because it came out at the same time as the one I just showed you. And it's Simplicity 9482. And you guys, this is not like a mommy and me. This is a daddy and me or a pawpaw and me or whatever. For my situation, it's going to be a pawpaw and me pattern. So you have the matching jogging set or short set. You could do either or for both. And it has like that same, little layered fabric look, if you can see that. But it's just so cute. And as far as like the fabrics, it costs basically for the same. Stretch knits, it's double knit, Ponte, active wear knits. So that's a little different. Sweatshirt fleece, terry knit, spandex blends. Yeah, a little bit different than the other pattern. And probably because us as adults, we need, a lot of flexibility when we're going to wear sets like this. But I just think that these two sets is just fabulous. And I also love the fact, you guys, that it's short sleeve. Because normally the jogging set patterns that we get have long sleeve. This one is a short sleeve pattern. So very cute. You have shorts for both, pants for both, and tops for both. They all have pockets and hoods. Cute. Very nice for springtime. So that's that one. And the last one of my sewing out of the box is another one that I picked up for my husband. And this was actually, I don't think this is a pickup because I think that this is out of print. And if I am not mistaken, I do believe on Instagram, it might have been Daddy Dressed Me who made this pattern a while back. And I just love the look of it. So because it reminded me of my husband's style. He loves button down shirts. It's what he wears to work a lot of time. If he doesn't wear a button down, he wears like a polo type shirt. So those two types of shirts he loves. And this is McCall's 2149. And I believe I actually ended up finding it on eBay. I knew eBay or Etsy, one of them would have it. But I also have another button down men's shirt pattern that's, pretty classic, pretty basic too. But this one I really like because I just like that style. It just reminds me of the things that he liked to wear. And even if I wanted to do a long sleeve one, I could. Because it has that variation. You could do it with the pocket. You could do it without. I could color block, if he wanted something color blocked or something like that. I think that's a camo look. No, it's not really camo, but I think that this will look really nice, like in a camouflage type of fabric. So yeah, very nice. You get 8 looks in this one pattern that you can kind of play around with. And the type of fabric that this calls for is lightweight fabrics such as cotton and cotton blends, challis, crepe, chambray, or seersucker. Okay. So, yeah, I think that this pattern is going to go a long way. You guys know how I feel about my pattern stretching, being able to use them more than once, because I personally think that that is what sewing is all about. Not just creating something that you love just one time, but being able to create that thing over and over again and change it up as you please. So yeah, this is part 2, all right, of the video that wasn't supposed to be 2 parts. And YouTube, you better download my whole video, okay? So you guys, thanks for joining me again. Thanks for watching again. I apologize for the technical difficulties, whatever it may have been, but thanks for coming back to check out part 2. And once again, if you guys are doing some new things, some new sewing patterns this year, things that you haven't done before, that's my goal this year, to just get my hands in some things that I haven't done before. I want to just be crafty. I want to do some different stuff so that these fingers learn different things. So yeah, comment below and let me know what you think. So thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to get to sewing. Bye-bye.